Hi everybody. So nandito tayo Sir
Alfredo.
Sir Alfred, no? So nandito tayo sa Laurent Answer Show. So ano pang question niyo, Sir Alfred? Sa akin.
Tungkol sa financial, what are the difference of the
Financial.
financial
Mutual funds.
mutual funds?
Okay. So basically we have three types, no? Yung bond fund, no? So dito na yung mga invested securities, yun yung type na yun, doon ini-invest yun. Second is yung equity fund, no? Yung equity, yun yung mutual funds na naka-invest sa stock market, no? So again, yung bond fund, mga fixed income mutual funds, doon yung mga fixed, no? Average niyan around 6 to 8% a year. Tapos yung isang type naman is yung equity, sinabi ko kanina, is around 12 to 14% a year, no? And for isa naman, balance fund.
Balance
So it's combination of bond and equity.
Equity.
Okay.
So which is the best?
Depende, tingnan sir. Depende sa objective mo. So
Okay.
pag short term, no, below 5 years, you could invest it in bond or balance fund, no? So depende sa risk appetite mo, sa projection mo, sa goal mo. If it's long term, you could invest it in equity. So it could generate more return for you in long term, in long horizon, investment horizon. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Again, thank you.
And I will join that later, the investment.
Okay,
Thank you very
thank
much
you.
for joining you.
Thank you.